Nothing's gonna knock me down. King of the mountain, headphones for a crown. Nothing's gonna kill my high. Not this time, not this time. Yeah. Harvest the best crops, drop the beat, start the cipher. Burn it for eons, y'all lift up your lighters. Sunsets like neon lights, pack a snowboard. This bud's for you, homegrown and homebrewed. Fearless are the few that rise to the summit. Cheers to the new up and coming. Struck gold in the hills, let it flow to the valley. Colorado got snow like the drought got Cali. 14,000 feet and still rising. Peaks on fleek, you could tweet the horizon. Capture the highlights, stash bags and hashtags. Mile high to the springs, the whole divide sings. We are on a mountaintop, and we ain't coming down. We are on a mountaintop, and we ain't coming down. High on the clouds, chilling with the trees. Take a deep breath, put your mind at ease. We are on a mountaintop, and we ain't coming down. Chilling on a mountaintop, mountaintop, not coming down. Colorado roots, adventures out west. Outdoor activities, history and heritage. Scenic beauty, solace from the city. Blue flag, white stripes, sunshine in the sea. Nothing's gonna knock me down. King of the mountain, headphones for a crown. Nothing's gonna kill my high. Not this time, not this time. We are on a mountaintop, and we ain't coming down. We are on a mountaintop, and we ain't coming down. High on the clouds, chilling with the trees. Take a deep breath, put your mind at ease. We are on a mountaintop, and we ain't coming down. Chilling on a mountaintop, mountaintop, not coming down. Nothing's gonna knock me down. King of the mountain, headphones for a crown. Nothing's gonna kill my high. Not this time, not this time. We are on a mountaintop, and we ain't coming down. We are on a mountaintop, and we ain't coming down. High on the clouds, chilling with the trees. Take a deep breath, put your mind at ease. We are on a mountaintop, and we ain't coming down. Chilling, 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 chilling on a mountaintop, not coming down. Not this time. Hey, what's up, good people? Thank you for watching my new music video, and extra thanks to those that contributed either by sending me a text message or several text messages. Mom. It was incredibly fun chatting with everybody and seeing a slice of the mountain life and the awesomeness that people are enjoying out there. So thank you so much for contributing. It's extremely comforting knowing that I am creating with other people and that they're all a part of it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe as I grow my channel. It really helps me to know that people are enjoying the music and the content that I'm creating. Lastly, make sure to share the video, especially for those that were in it. You want to make sure all your friends and family know that you're the new hotness on YouTube. Yeah, stay tuned for more fun. All the best to you and yours.